Okay, this is a chemistry revision for weeks 1 and 2, semester 1 in grade 8. In this revision, we're going to talk about the atom, structure of the atom, what do we have inside the atom, and how we're going to use the particles for other calculations, and so on.
Hi, I'm Emerald Robinson. In this What Is video, we're going to take a closer look at atoms. All matter is made of elements, substances that cannot be broken down by chemical activity. An atom is the smallest particle of an element that retains the element's properties. Atoms are the building blocks for everything in the universe, including ourselves. People often think of atoms as the smallest possible forms of matter, but even smaller particles make up atoms. Each atom has a dense center called a nucleus. The nucleus contains neutrons, which have a neutral electric charge, and protons, which are positively charged. The number of protons in an atom determines an element's physical properties. No two elements have the same number of protons. Revolving around the nucleus like planets around the sun are negatively charged particles called electrons. Electrons and protons attract each other, so atoms usually have equal numbers of the two particles. Scientists assign atoms an atomic number and atomic mass unit. The atomic number is the number of protons present in the atom. For instance, a helium atom has 2 protons, so helium's atomic number is 2. Add the number of protons and neutrons in an atom's nucleus together, and you get the atomic mass unit, or AMU. A helium atom has 2 protons and 2 neutrons, so has a mass of 4 AMU. Electrons have almost no mass and are not included in AMU calculations. While an atom's number of protons remains constant, individual atoms can lose or gain electrons. Atoms with different ratios of electrons to protons are called ions. Atoms of the same element can also have extra neutrons. Scientists call atoms with extra neutrons isotopes. Despite having different neutron counts, isotopes retain their element's chemical properties because the number of protons remains constant.
For thousands of how-to and advice videos on any topic, visit monkeysee.com.
This is how the atom looks like. It has 2 main structures. It has a central nucleus, and around the nucleus we have what? What do you have around the nucleus? Electron clouds. Electron clouds that have the electrons. Okay, so what's fun? The ones which are in red, which has a symbol P+, what do we name them? Protons. So they are the protons. Ala, in yellow, N, neutrons. What is the charge, Ala, for the neutrons? 0, yes, they are neutral, they have 0 charge. Good. Celine, the one which has like blue color, E minus. Electrons, very good. Dana, where do you find the protons and neutrons? In the nucleus or in the electron clouds? Yes, inside the nucleus, very good. So this is the nucleus. It has the protons and the neutrons. The protons positively charged, neutrons neutral charge. Selena? Question? Yes, electrons in the electron clouds. So the electron clouds. So these are the main rules with atom. The atomic number is symbolized by the letter Z or Z. It represents the number of protons and electrons in the atom, so they are equal. Number of protons equal number of electrons equal Z or Z. For example, if we say like we have oxygen atom has atomic number equal to 8, the question is indicate the number of protons and electrons of oxygen atom. Hamad Saleh, this question is for you. Oxygen atom has atomic number equal to 8. Atomic number is Z. So what is the number of protons and electrons?
Protons equal the number of electrons.
How much?
8.
Yes. So they're both equal to Z. Very good. So number of protons equal number of electrons equal to 8. The mass number, symbolized with the letter A. A is for the mass number. It is also called nucleons. So we can say mass number or nucleons. It represents the total number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of the atom. The rule is A, mass number equals Z, protons plus N, neutrons. For example, Badia, this question is for you. Sodium atom has atomic number equals to 11 and neutrons equal to 12. Calculate the mass number A. So how can we find the mass number A?
A equal 11.
Can you say the rule first?
A equals Z
Yes.
plus N
Okay.
equals is 11
11.
plus 12
Yes.
equals 3.
Equal 23. Very good. So there are, in summary, the main rules for the lesson. Z represents the number of protons and electrons, which is the atomic number. A, the mass number, is Z plus N. N is A minus Z. Z equal A minus N. Z atomic number, A mass number, N number of neutrons. Exercise 1, Ali. Chlorine atom has 17 protons and 35 nucleons. Deduce the atomic number.
The atomic number equals 15 because protons equal
Yes, very good. But remember, when we say deduce, do not justify. Give a direct answer. Very good. Watfa, deduce the number of electrons.
17
Why?
because protons equal electron equals 17.
Very good. So number of electrons is also equal to the atomic number equal to 17. Ala, calculate the number of neutrons N. Can you give me the rule first? A minus Z. This is the only way to find the number of neutrons. Continue, Ala. How do you solve this? Equal to 18. Okay, still in exercise 2, the mass number of nitrogen atom is 14 and has 7 neutral particles in its nucleus. A, calculate the atomic number. Yes. A minus N. Okay, continue. Yes, very good. 14 minus 7 equals 7. Dana, B, deduce the number of protons and electrons.
The number of protons and the number of electrons equal to Z
How much?
equals 7.
Very good. The atomic representation of an atom, or we call it a nuclei. We write the chemical symbol of the atom. A is the mass number with Z the atomic number. A on the upper left side with Z on the lower left side. So this is how we should write it. This is an example for sodium Na. Na is a symbol of sodium. 11 is for atomic number Z. 23 is the mass number.